I have a tiny, messy garage. I do not have room for a personal workbench until now. Now, this is not a permanent workbench. This is, in fact, a temporary workbench. As you can see, I can actually move it along the ground, and if necessary, I can even lock it like so. Now let's go ahead and talk through some of the features here. By the way, I am going to make another video on exactly how to install and put this thing together because it does come in separate parts. Totally different video. This video right here that you're watching is just to take a quick look at all the accessories so you can hang all sorts of hammers and tools on there. It comes with not 4 but 8 of these hooks like so. It's got 1, 2, 3 different levels. 2 locking wheels. The other wheels back there do not lock, but that's okay. I just need 2 anyway. If we were to transfer over to the other side, you'll see a bucket right here, which we can put all sorts of loose tools in, as well as 4 more hooks right down here. And then if you look at this little extension right here, now technically, if we were to take out that screw right there, and then there's another one on the other side, if we were to take that out, this whole thing were to fold down. So if you don't have a lot of room in your garage, you could technically take this additional 12-inch extension and fold it straight down. But in my case, I like to leave it out like that. It's a very nice, beautiful stainless steel. I would say the biggest heartache of this thing was the fact that the packaging was absolutely insane. Trying to get this together, oh man, even the little plastic that you had to rip off took forever. A nice little pickle. It does come with a bottle opener as well. Overall, pretty good quality. Just be aware that you have to have patience putting this thing together.